How to restore deleted posts on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to restore deleted posts on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram Lite and then click on your profile here, and now click the three lines in the top corner and then click settings, and here you will find the account. Click on it and then just here you will find recently deleted. Now just click on it, and if you want to restore any post you want here, just click on it and then click these 3 points and just click restore. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.